Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will continue about 28 realistic way to make money. Okay, for the numbers 9, consider freelancing. The easy way to make money online is to take your current job in your 9 to 5 role and do it online instant. For example, if you are a writer, administrative assistant, graphic designer, teacher, developer, you can market their skills and find clients online who are willing to pay you to apply them. There are never-ending list of job platforms for each type of freelancer to, for example, freelance right can apply for jobs on specific online writing jobs board, but also on general freelance website like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and all of the others. If you find that your skill can't be directly used to create income streams, you can try monetizing other transferable skill to may have. To make money online as a freelancer, you can need to start by building out a strong portfolio. That may mean doing some free work with some reputable made Thai brand to start. Once you create a strong portfolio, you can reach out to potential big clients to earn more money online. Remember, freelancing is a numbers game. The more personalized email and application you will out, the more likely you will be to get a response back. Number 10 is create an apps. If you are not a developer, you are probably looking at this money making idea and feeling a bit stuck. Fortunately, though you can hire someone with programming skill to build an app for you. Site like Topal will content you with a plenty of apps developers who are open to working with entrepreneurs to turn their vision into reality. All you can to do is come up with a unique apps idea, identify the audience you want to get, uh, what's audience you want to target, and create a brand image for your products. The programmer you hire will take care of things on the development front. When it comes to making money on your apps, your best bet will be to add it to Google Play and the App Store. And while it may seem continuously having a free apps can help you make more than a paid apps. With a free apps, you can add or premium features to help you make money. Since the free apps will attract a higher volume of people, it will be easily for you to upsell them. For the number 11 is become a writer. With a growing interest in content marketing, more and more companies are looking for writers who can fill their web properties with great content. The secret to succeeding as a writer is to focus on a specific nature. A lot of writers try to be generalistic, writing for a wide range of categories from food to tech. However, having a niche focus as a writer sets you apart and makes it easily to attract clients in your target market. When you have express or expenses in the niches, you can add a different perspective to a piece of content. That means you are not just saying the same thing as every other writer online, and that's what brands really wants to pay off. Your thoughts, experience, and insider perspective on a niches. When applying from writing jobs, make sure you send relevant samples to recruiters. If someone asks for a marketing writer samples, send them a marketing writer sample. Don't send a finance article or a finance fitness ones. It's hard for a hiring manager to know how well you understand the niches industry if they can see a relevant sample. Apply to opportunities suitable to your skill and experience. You can find writing jobs to get money online through the following websites like ProBlogger, Pricelist, Blogging Pro, Freelance Writing, Media Bistro, Flex Job, Be a Financial Blog. Okay. For the number 12, do side gigs. Side gigs can help you make money online while you keep your full-time jobs. If you are looking to the making an extra couple $100 per month, this is a great idea. The works doesn't always last long term, but it can use platform like Fiverr to find the part-time gigs that you can do online. As a new entrance in a gigs economy, you will want to focus on offering a low price. You can your first review. I recommended getting a friend to buying your gigs to leaving your first review so you can get started faster. Treat the friend like a client and continually deliver a finished product that you can further in your portfolio. Okay, that's all for me for this video. Thank you very much.